So, are you ready to stump the monkey, Mike?
I certainly am ready to stump the monkey.
All right. Well, Mikey Insanity is gonna have a bunch of trivia questions, and it's gonna be up to you to decide which is the right answer. So, Mikey, come on, go ahead. What's the first question to stump the monkey?
How many classifications of monkeys are? What are the main classification groups for monkeys?
Mike, you're up first.
Okay. What are the how many main classifications of monkeys are there? I would go with, I would say about 120.
Mr. Monkey, what is your answer?
2.
And the correct answer is Mr. Insanity. Mr. Insanity, what is the correct answer?
There are 2 monkeys. There are, however, over 120 individual classifications of monkeys, but as far as the major groups, there are 2. So, points to you as well.
And the monkey has 1 point on the board. What is our second question, Mr. Monkey Insanity?
Our next question is, do all monkeys have tails?
Mike, do all monkeys have tails?
No.
He says also no.
And the correct answer is?
No, not all monkeys have tails. Points to both.
Points to both. 1-1. Monkey's in the lead. Mr. Insanity, what is the third question? By the way, we're going 5 here.
One of the group classifications of those 2 is called Old World monkeys. What is another name for Old World monkeys?
The Old World monkeys?
Mike, what is the name?
Would be, I'll go chimpanzee.
He says Clatorines.
Mr. Mikey Insanity, what is the correct answer?
Hi, Cat.
Hi, cat is not a valid answer.
Caterines is what they're called.
So we are...
Monkey mispronounced it, so he doesn't get the point either.
So we are 2-1 still. What is our third question?
How many teeth do Old World monkeys have?
Mike, how many teeth do Old World monkeys have?
I'll go with 20.
Mr. Monkey?
32.
And the correct answer is...
32 teeth.
And the monkey scores another one. That is what now? 3-1?
And this will be our final question.
And final question?
What is the smallest monkey?
Mike, what is the smallest monkey?
The smallest monkey. I'm gonna say the capuchin monkey.
Could not hear that. Please repeat the answer.
The capuchin monkey.
Mr. Monkey, what is your answer?
Me!
Mr. Mikey Insanity, what is the correct answer?
The correct answer is the pygmy marmoset.
Oh, both wrong.
However, Monkey screwed up so bad that I'm taking away his points.
So Mike has won. Stump the Monkey. That's right. Captain Fez has won. Stump the Monkey here on SNN Radio. What is your prize? What is his prize, Mikey?
He gets an internet kiss from a monkey.
Hey, Mike, thanks for joining us. We're
Thank you.
going to get to our next contestant on Stump the Monkey. Stump the
right.
Monkey. It was great having you on.
Yep. Always good to be here.